Today this walking journey is going to show you what you're missing out when you take a replacement bus from Rugeley Town Station to Rugeley Trent Valley. Now during this vlog we will be seeing some replacement buses, we'll be filming some trains, and towards the end of this vlog there will be an engineer's train passing through here that will be on film. And also we're going to have a look around Rugeley on our way from Rugeley Town to Rugeley Trent Valley. I'm going to roll the small intro now. I'll meet at Rugeley Town Station. So today's walk is going to take me from Rugeley Town Railway Station to Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. And also today, on the 15th of November 2020, which is when this was filmed, there is replacement buses running between New Street and Rugeley Trent Valley. Now the question is, why there's replacement buses? Because there's engineering work taking place between Cambridge Parkway and Whitton. So there's no trains running, however, there's replacement buses running between New Street and Rugeley Trent Valley. Now in this video, I'm basically going to be walking alongside the replacement bus route. So we're going to be leaving here now to head down Wharf Road to show you where the bus stop is that you get picked up or dropped off at Rugeley Town Railway Station. The name of the bus stop that I'm heading to is this road right here. This is Wharf Road. Now this road was built in 1876, so the local people could come up this road to buy some local coal from the collieries that were around here. And if you want to see that video, that will be linked in the description below. I'm going to walk down this road now, because this will take me to the bus stop where the replacement buses stop at to pick up or drop off passengers. This bus stop right here is Wharf Road bus stop. Now you can catch the 24, the 825, the 826 from here. But this is also the bus stop where the replacement buses pick up and drop off passengers from Rugeley Town Railway Station. This is the entrance to Newman Grove in Brereton. Now, there's nothing significant here. The only reason I come up here because sometimes the replacement buses can use this as a turnaround to go 180. Sadly, this replacement bus that's passing went round the long way. But can we get a toot from the driver? There we go. So hopefully this bus that will do a 180 turn and show you how to... Oh, for God's sake. Oh well, back to the walk then. Now the road behind me is known as Horse Fair. Now the reason this is named Horse Fair is because that is annual horse fair, which was known as internationally, with trains coming from far and wide, but you get sheep, cattle or horses here. Now this boomed in the mid-19th century to the 1930s. Now behind me is Globe Island. Now on this island there is actually 4 statues of coal miners. Now these were installed in September 2015 in recognition of the town's heritage, which was mining, because Rugeley was a big mining industry. Now the buses go on the B5013, which is just behind me in this direction here, which you can just make out the background. Now this is Rugeley bus station. It has 5 bus stops, and you get buses from here to the 23, which takes you to the Pear Tree Estate. The 24 takes you to Brereton. the 26 which takes you to the Springfield estate, the 63 which takes you to Carrick, and the 825 and the 826 which takes you between Lichfield and Stafford. Sadly, since this was filmed on a Sunday, there's no buses running from Rugeley bus station. All blank. But however though, my journey carries on down this road, which is the B5013, which takes me to Rugeley Trent Valley. And also the replacement buses actually come down this road as well towards Rugeley Trent Valley, which I'm heading in that direction now. But first, I'm going to stop off at Elmore Park. Now walking down the B5013. Now this is where the buses go. Now towards this end of the roundabout that's coming up is St Augustine's Church, which, as I mentioned in a previous blog, Michael Porter has actually visited this church. So we're going to take a quick look at that, take a quick look at the old chancel and carry on down Station Road towards Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. Behind me is St Augustine's Church, and Station Road is just behind me here. But if we turn the camera around this way, the original St Augustine's Church is here, which is the old chancel, which is basically ruins, but it is lovely to look at when you're walking down towards Rugeley Trent Valley, or walking from Rugeley Trent Valley to the town centre. Now on the outskirts of Rugeley. This roundabout here, sometimes the replacement buses actually go down that road. They go by Rugeley Power Station to the other end of Rugeley Brereton, then come back on themselves like we saw earlier in the blog. That's why that didn't do the 180 U-turn at Newman's Grove. Now I'm going to be walking down Coulton Road, which is just down here, and this takes me to Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. Now you're thinking that the blog's going to be over, but it isn't, because there's another reason why I'm going to Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. When I did my first walking journey, I said that on Sundays it's not the best day for freight services. But today there is a freight train that's passing through Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. And that is the other reason why I go to Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station, to see this freight train passing through. It's actually an engineer's train, but it's on its way up. It's currently at Nuneaton. So I'm going to Rugeley Trent Valley to film this. So we're now made it to Rugeley Trent Valley. Now this is where the bus actually starts and terminates from Birmingham. Unlike Rugeley Town, where you got a 3-minute walk down Wharf Road to the bus stop, you can just pick up the bus outside the railway station, which is just here. So we're going to film a bus arriving into here, and I'm going to be on the platform for the engineer's train to pass through just before 2 o'clock. I'm now on platform 2 in the waiting shelter at Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. Now, even though we started this journey, it was nice and sunny, but to be honest though, it actually has changed. It's now cold, windy, and a bit bitter. And I was filming that freight train coming through, my hands were absolutely freezing cold. That freight train we got was 66587 as one we can. That was working 6Y60, Hanslow Junction just before Milton Keynes to Crewe Basford Hall. And on a Sunday, you don't usually get any freight trains through here, but sometimes you do get the odd engineer's train coming through. And that's what it was, because it was doing some engineering work Saturday night into Sunday, just south of Milton Keynes. So our walk today basically started at Rugeley Town Railway Station. We just walked into Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. We had a look at a few replacement buses on the way, which can vary with operating companies sometimes. Then we saw a Select bus, and we saw a Midland Classic bus. And also we had a look at a few places along the way. So hopefully this video has been enjoyable, informative and amusing a bit. And I think it's about time we're going to end this blog. So this blog has been terminated by walking to Rugeley Trent Valley Railway Station. Thank you for walking with SimOnTrains. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you for the next walking journey next Sunday.